Hello children of class 5. Good evening. Welcome back to your SST class. Today we are going to discuss lesson 5. I have already finished lesson 7 in your SST history. Now this is lesson 5. From history you are having two chapters, 5 and 7. Now this is 5. 7 has already been done. Lesson 5, different ways of life. দেখো আমরা যখন বড় হই আমাদের এক একজনের থাকা খাওয়া ওঠা বসা চাল চলন কথাবার্তা সব কিছুই আলাদা হয় কিন্তু মানুষ কিন্তু আমরা সবাই সমান সবাই মানুষ বাট সব কিছুই আমাদের ডিফারেন্ট সেটা নিয়েই আমরা এখানে ডিসকাস করব দ্যাট what type of lifestyle used to be in our previous time and what lifestyle we are having in now and how this formation or this reformation has taken place. Around 1500 BC, more than 200 years after the decline of the Harappan civilization, other cultures began to appear in different parts of India. Archaeological evidence shows that while some of these cultures were using stone and copper stone tools, others had started using tools made from iron. তাহলে what they are telling that after the finishing up of the Harappan culture, other culture also began to start and some of the evidence proof they tell us that they have started using tools মানে হচ্ছে জিনিসপত্র like pliers, then screwdrivers, then something sharp, something blunt which can be used for cutting. Now, civilization of the north and northwest, the Vedic people. The north and northwest, the people who were living at the time, they were basically the Vedic people. Now, who are the Vedic people? Around 1500 BC, a new era appears to have emerged in northern and some parts of northwestern India. This age came to be known as Vedic age. Because of the knowledge we have this age and its people becomes to text by composed the Vedas. The Vedic people, Vedic period was going on around 1500 BC in the north and northwestern part of India, and this period was called Vedic period because in this age people have written Vedas. So this period was known as Vedic period. Now let's see what type of people were actually the Vedic people. The people who composed the Vedas are known as the Vedic people or the Aryans. Aryans and Vedic people, these two people were same. The word Aryan means noble in Sanskrit. Noble means someone very unique, someone different from others, someone who is having something new in his mind and heart. Okay. Actually, Aryan is a Sanskrit word whose meaning is noble. Between 1500 and 600 BC, the Aryans gradually spread across most parts of northern India. Northern India, maximum part, these Aryan people, they were spread up. They spread themselves within that area. They are believed to be the earliest user of iron and wheeled horse-drawn chariot in the Indian subcontinent. They were counted as the oldest people who have started using iron and also started using a cart which is made up of wheel, যেটা নিচে চাকা থাকতো, and they were wheeled by horse, 3 or 4 horses. ঘোড়ার গাড়ি, in one word you can say. Along with the vast literary material, archaeological matter gathered from this era tells us a great deal about the lives of the Vedic Aryans. And from here, the things which we received from the archaeological excavations, we believe something which is inside the earth, that is digged out by some people. They tell us a lot of things about this Vedic Aryans. The Vedic age is divided into early Vedic period and later Vedic period. So what are the two phases? Early Vedic period and later Vedic period. Now comes the political life. Okay, the family of Kula was the smallest. Actually, the whole matter was divided in this way. First was Kula. Kula was controlled by Ganpati. A family was known as Kula. যেটাকে আমরা এখন বলি না কুল, ওর মানে বাড়ির ওর বংশ কুল এগুলো হচ্ছে at that time it was known as Kula, Kula, and it was controlled by Ganapati, or the oldest member of the family. Second comes a family made up in a village. In a village, the family which is growing up is called Gram. 3 or 4 families, they compile together and they prepare Gram or village, which was controlled by Gramani, who was controlled by Gramani. Gramani was the head of the village. Next is several village, they comprise together and make viz or a clan. Several village, they comprise together and make a village or a clan which was controlled by Vishapati. Vishapati is the head of the group of the village made. Finally, it becomes Jan, headed by Janapati or Rajan. And finally, all these compositions came into end when Jana was there, which was controlled by Rajan or the king. Clear? So, North and Northwestern people were called Vedic people. They were qualified, literate, and some people actually not some people used to depend upon them as because they had a huge knowledge. Then comes types of people. Vedic people are normally known as Aryans. They means noble or very pious person in Sanskrit. Now, some of the knowledge can be gained about this period because archaeological excavations, when we dig something in the ground and find them out over there, that is archaeological excavation. Archaeological excavation has given us some knowledge regarding this. Then comes the whole Vedic period getting divided into 2 parts: early Vedic period and later Vedic period. Early Vedic period sustains from 1500 to 1000 BC and later Vedic period sustained from 600 to 1000 BC. Clear? Now comes the political life. Now, as because the area was big, people were huge in number, so that was divided into groups. First was Kula or Kul, which was controlled by Grepati. Second is Gram or village, controlled by Gramani. Third was a clan or viz, which was controlled by Vishapati. And fourth was Jana or human beings. They are controlled by Janapati or Rajan or king. So this much is clear. This is page number 36 and 37 I have discussed today. Tomorrow I will do 38, 39, and there will be your ending of the lesson 5 of history. Go through this part very nicely. Thank you.